How to track a package in UPS. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can track a package in UPS. So let's just dive right into the video. So if you want to track a package in UPS, you just need to head over to a browser, any of the browser that you prefer. Once you are here, what you need to do is tap on the search bar and type in UPS and hit go. And once you do that, you should be finding some results on your screen. You need to go ahead and click on the first link, which is ups.com. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, an interface appears on your screen. This one right here, just wait for it to be loaded completely first. And when you do that on your screen, you can easily find an option that says track. So all you need to do is you need to enter up the 25 tracking numbers on your package right here in this inbox, and then just tap on this track. And once you do that, it will track a package in UPS. It will give you the results. So that is how you basically track a package in UPS, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.